Welcome to this spacious, move-in ready Happy Valley home. It's ideally situated, backing to a green space and a privately owned wooded area in a peaceful setting. The oversized backyard features multiple spaces for entertaining. Heading inside, you'll discover a charming interior with craftsman trim, bullnose drywall corners, and 9-foot ceilings on the main level. Hardwood floors lead to the delightful kitchen with stainless steel appliances, including a new built-in microwave and convection oven, plus a pantry and breakfast bar seating. It opens to the dining area with direct access to the upper deck. Double doors open to the main level office. On the upper level, you can escape to the serene and spacious master suite with vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace. The master bath features a dual sink vanity, a separate shower, and a soaker tub. This home of more than 3,500 square feet includes 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Many rooms offer walk-in closets. You'll find an open, flexible living space on the lower level, plus a private bedroom and a full bath with 2 separate sinks. On the covered lower deck, you can entertain year-round. Or follow the walking paths to more relaxing spaces, including a built-in fire pit. The large 3-car garage includes ample storage. You'll also enjoy hardy plank siding and a 30-year roof. Your own peaceful retreat in a quiet, Happy Valley neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Julie Lais with Premier Property Group at 503-701-7023.